Luxury mansions that belong to the world's billionaires are the epitome of perfection. From the outside, they look like paradise. Perfectly manicured lawns, towering gates, and an air of grandeur. Stepping inside, you're enveloped in a world of opulence. Gold-plated fixtures, rare art pieces, and private amenities that most people can only dream of. It's a lifestyle that seems completely untouchable. But what if I told you that beneath the glittering surface of these multi-million-dollar properties, there's a hidden cost? What if the luxury we see only scratches the surface of the responsibilities and expenses that come with owning a property worth $500 million? These homes are not just about glamour. They are more like living, breathing projects, each demanding constant upkeep, attention, and millions of dollars in hidden costs. The grand pool might look inviting, but behind the scenes, it's a constant maintenance nightmare. The stunning artworks that line the walls might be priceless, but they come with their own set of responsibilities. What's it really like to live in a $500 million mansion? Step inside the hidden world of billion-dollar estates, and let's uncover the truth about what owning one of these homes truly entails. The allure of a mansion worth $500 million is undeniable. From the moment you set foot on the property, everything about it screams luxury. The size is staggering. The architecture is iconic. Every detail, from the marble floors to the crystal chandeliers, exudes extravagance. It's not just a house, it's a statement. A statement that says, I've made it. But here's the thing. Luxury of this scale comes with its own set of challenges. The first challenge, the maintenance. A mansion of this size isn't just about routine cleaning. It's about preservation. These homes are often built with the finest materials, rare marble, handcrafted wood, imported stone, and custom-made furniture. These aren't items you can just replace with the next best thing. No, these are delicate investments that need care and attention to keep them in pristine condition. A typical homeowner might need to clean their floors every so often. But the owners of $500 million mansions? They need to preserve their floors, seal their marble, treat their custom wood paneling with specialist cleaners. The costs of preserving these high-end materials quickly add up, and it doesn't stop at the interiors. Outdoor maintenance, from the pools to the sculptures, requires an army of professionals to ensure that everything looks flawless. Even the smallest renovations are major projects. A bathroom renovation in a standard home? Easy. In a mansion like this, it's a full-scale operation requiring specialists who understand the property's unique needs. But it's not just the materials that require constant attention. It's the people, too. The staff required to keep such a massive home running is immense. From housekeepers and chefs to landscapers and security personnel, running a mansion of this scale is like running a small business. And that's not even the half of it. As the owner, you'll need to manage a team of experts, ensuring that everything from your high-tech systems to the heating and cooling is functioning properly. These homes are often equipped with advanced technology, from climate-controlled rooms to state-of-the-art security systems. The systems can break down or require software updates, which means a constant dependency on tech professionals. It's easy to think that once the papers are signed, the mansion is yours to enjoy without a second thought. But in reality, it's a never-ending job. And that's something most real estate agents fail to mention during the tour. Agents will show you the stunning views, the rare art pieces, and the gourmet kitchens, but they rarely mention the sleepless nights spent worrying about the maintenance costs, the staff, and the constant work required to maintain the dream. Insurance is another hidden expense. Insuring a mansion of this scale is not the same as insuring an average home. The risk is far greater, and the premiums reflect that. The value of the property, the cost of materials, and the specialized amenities all factor into the cost of insurance. A standard policy won't do. Instead, owners must secure specialized coverage that matches the size and complexity of their estate. With pools, spas, theaters, and other expensive features, insurance becomes a critical component of owning a mansion. Then there's the energy consumption. Large properties require energy on an entirely different scale. From heating vast rooms to cooling expansive outdoor spaces, running pools and spas, and powering home theaters, the energy costs quickly spiral. A small resort might have lower overheads than one of these mansions. Even when you're away, the property requires constant energy to maintain everything from climate control to security systems. But the true cost comes with the unexpected, the renovations. When you buy a mansion like this, you might envision remodeling the kitchen, adding a new bathroom, or updating the flooring. However, in luxury homes, such changes are never simple. Every material must match the original craftsmanship. Even minor updates can trigger a chain reaction that impacts multiple rooms. The more intricate the design, the more expensive and complicated any renovation becomes. Even the smallest change can affect the overall integrity of the home. What sounds like an easy renovation in an ordinary home becomes an overwhelming challenge in a mansion, with a long list of specialists needed to carry out the work to perfection. The costs quickly skyrocket, and soon enough, the small update you had in mind turns into a massive overhaul. But the costs don't end there. Luxury homes are often located in neighborhoods with strict guidelines. Any changes to the exterior or even minor adjustments to the landscaping often require permits, approval from a committee, and compliance with community regulations. Even adding a small fountain or a new outdoor light could mean jumping through a series of hoops to get the necessary approvals. And if you don't, you risk fines and penalties that could add up quickly. And here's something that most people overlook. The home doesn't just need maintenance, it needs preservation. The bigger and more beautiful the mansion, the more work it requires to keep it in top shape. Owners often think they'll be able to handle it on their own, but as time goes by, the reality hits. The house doesn't adjust to your schedule. It dictates its own timeline, and you're forced to keep up. The truth is, living in a $500 million mansion isn't just about enjoying the lavish surroundings. It's about managing a massive, ongoing project that requires constant care, attention, and financial investment. Many billionaire homeowners have entire teams dedicated to keeping their homes pristine. And even then, it's not always enough. It's a full-time job. This brings us to another harsh truth. Luxury homes don't always appreciate as expected. While most people believe that buying a mansion is a surefire way to make money, the truth is that luxury real estate can fluctuate. The market for high-end homes is smaller, and economic changes can significantly affect their value. Some properties may even stagnate despite their initial value. The upkeep costs and the exclusive buyer pool can discourage potential buyers, leading to an extended time on the market. But here's the kicker. The more beautiful the mansion, the more it will cost to maintain. The lush gardens, the elaborate pools, the outdoor kitchens, all of them require constant care and attention. Even something as simple as a garden or water feature becomes a full-time job when you own a mansion of this scale. In the end, luxury mansions are not just about the lifestyle. They're about the constant investment required to keep them functioning. And while the lifestyle may look effortless on the surface, the reality is far from it. The hidden costs, the constant upkeep, the staff, the renovations, and the never-ending responsibilities, they all exist quietly behind the scenes, creating a weight that most owners can't fully anticipate. Understanding this is the key to truly enjoying the luxury of a $500 million mansion, without the stress and financial strain that comes with it. It's not about the house. It's about whether you can handle the commitment that comes with owning one of the world's most expensive properties. So, would you still buy one after knowing the true cost of ownership? Would you still fall in love with the dream, or would the reality keep you grounded? The choice is yours, but it's important to understand both sides before making that life-changing decision. Ever wondered what it's really like to own a $500 million mansion? The grandeur, the luxury, the dream? It's easy to fall in love with the fantasy. But behind the sparkling chandeliers and marble floors is a world of hidden costs, constant maintenance, and ongoing responsibilities. From high-end materials to a full-time staff, owning a mansion is a never-ending project. Luxury living isn't effortless. It demands time, money, and attention. Are you ready to take on the true cost of perfection? Hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you still buy a mansion after knowing the truth?